Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 6, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is pets. Biscuit Meets the Class Pet by Alyssa, Satin, Capucilli. Pictures by Pat Shories. Here, Biscuit, come meet Nibbles. Woof, woof. This is Nibbles. Nibbles is our class pet. Nibbles is here for a visit. Woof, woof. Hop, hop. Look, Biscuit, Nibbles found your bone. Woof, woof. Hop, hop. Nibbles found your ball. Woof, woof. Hop, hop. Nibbles found your bed, too. Woof! Silly puppy, no tugging. Stay here, Biscuit. I will get a snack for Nibbles. Woof, woof! Hop, hop. Woof! Hop, hop. Woof! Hop, hop. Woof, woof! Woof, woof! Hop. Oh no, Biscuit! Where is Nibbles? Woof, woof! We must find him. Woof, woof! Nibbles is not under the table. Woof, woof! Nibbles is not on the chair. Woof, woof! Where can Nibbles be? Woof, woof! Sweet puppy! Nibbles found your bone, and your ball, and your bed. Woof, woof! And you found Nibbles. Woof! The end. We're going to make a cotton ball bunny. And what you'll need for this is some glue. I put glue on a plate. It's easier if it's on the plate because then you can just dip. And your cotton ball bunny kit includes a bunch of cotton balls. Put those over here. Pull these out. A pom-pom. A bunny template. Six pieces of twine right here. Those will be the whiskers. And a pair of eyeballs. I'm using little ones for this one. Alright, and all you're going to do is cover the body with cotton balls. Now you can fluff them up if you want, or you can just leave them the way they are, but just dip them in your glue and stick it on the bunny. So that's all we're gonna do to get those cotton balls on. Again, fluff it up if you want, dip it in the glue, stick it on the bunny. And you do that until your whole bunny's covered. We're gonna leave the ears alone. Okay, so I have some extra cotton balls. I'm gonna put them in my bag, save them for another project. But now my bunny's all covered with cotton balls. Next thing I'm gonna do is glue on the nose and the eyes. And again, we're just gonna dip it. Might have to help the little ones with this because I'm kind of pinching it. There's the nose. The eyes, I'm dragging it through. Oops, 12:30. One eye. Two eyes. we're just going to drag through the twine and stick them on there. You don't have to use the whiskers if you don't want, or you can use less whiskers if you want. It's up to you. I'm just going to use all 6. Are a little glued sticking up it. That's all there is to it. There's my bunny. Pop, pop.